dad was a lawyer. He's a criminal defense attorney. And so when I got done with college, it was kind of just I knew I wanted to continue doing more school. And so law school was kind of an obvious choice with the family history, and I knew I liked to argue, so I kind of went on that basis. I was working at the U.S. Attorney's Office in the criminal division during the day, and I was studying for the bar exam at night. And during that time, I had my own personal injury case occur. I was attacked by 2 pit bulls, and I got bit, and I had to go through a recovery process and dealing with that injury, and I decided to pursue legal action against the dog owners. And so I kind of got a very different experience from that case. I think in criminal law, my sense of justice was when someone commits a crime or a bad act, we get justice because that person gets punished. They go to jail, they pay a fine, and that's justice. But what happens to the victim in that scenario? What do they get? All they really get is the satisfaction of this person has been punished. They aren't put back in a position that they were in before the crime occurred or before they became a victim. And so I think in some ways civil law is actually more just because we put our focus on what has been lost. The person who has been harmed, how can we kind of make this person whole again? What can we do to put them back in the position they were in before this happened? And you can't ever take away, but they can be compensated. They can have their medical bills paid, and it's more than just medical bills. For example, in my case, to this day, if I hear a dog bark, I get nervous. And so that experience, it continues sort of to haunt me even in my life now, many years later, and I'm sure that many accident victims and dog bite victims and other people who have had some type of personal injury can relate to that. So being compensated for those types of things in addition to the medical bills is important. This is a great law firm. I mean, if you walk through the halls of this office, you can see that there have just been really incredible cases. I mean, Carl and Wendell and BJ, they've done some amazing things in the courtroom and gotten some amazing verdicts. I wanted to be a part of a firm that has so many prestigious attorneys in it so that I could learn from them, so that I could learn from the best. And so being a part of Reynolds, Horne Survant is the place where I felt that I could best do that and develop into the best attorney that I can be.